Hey y'all, Princess here. Today I am vlogging my prep for a pop-up shop that I'm doing tomorrow. So today is Friday, February the 28th. So I have some things I need to do to prepare for my my presentation, my table, my products. I have to repackage some lashes. I have to make some more lip gloss, fill some lip gloss tubes. I gotta go run some errands to make sure that I have everything I need for my table. And I think I kind of want to do a, what do you call it? What am I trying to say here? I want to do kind of like I want to stage my table, I guess you can say. So I might kind of like just set up my stuff and see what it's gonna look like. So when I get to the location tomorrow, I already know how I want to set things up on my table, and I already know what it's gonna look like, so I can make sure it's cute. So I guess I will take you guys on that journey. This will probably be a 2-day vlog. I'll probably combine what I'm doing today and tomorrow, so it'll all kind of run together. So this may, I don't know, this might be a long vlog. So if you like those kind of things, cool. So yeah, so just, you know, join the ride and holla at your girl. All right guys, so I have everything set up. All of my supplies and everything are pulled out. I fed Avery, so hopefully she won't bother me. And she's watching Paw Patrol right now. But I have my whole setup ready to go. I have all my supplies. I am going to make, I'm only going to make 4 lip glosses today. I wanted to play around and try making some new stuff, some new colors, but I'm going to wait and do that because I still have to do my lashes as well. And sorry about the noise in the background, my husband cleaning up the kitchen. But I still have to, like I said, do my lashes as well. And making glosses and filling lip gloss tubes, cleaning them, labeling them, like that's a task. And so I don't want to spend too much time making glosses. I still need to run to the store. Like I still have a lot of stuff to do, and I'm starting a little bit later on this process than I planned to. So yeah, so let me show you all of my stuff I have laid out. Then I'm gonna glove up and get started. All right, so I'm at my dining room. I'm at my dining room table, and I have all of my supplies that I need right here. My scale, have something down here to protect my table, and I'm about to wash my hands, put on my gloves. It is dark. Sorry, I was putting on my seatbelt. And I'm just not heading to the store. So, I'm sorry, let me get my camera angle right. And I'm sorry for like rubbing in my nose. I got allergies and I have a really bad headache. But I'm on my way to the store, and I'm sorry about the lighting, guys. I'm outside, of course, and the sun is going down. So, but yeah, I'm on my way to the dollar store, Dollar General to be exact, and I'm going to pick up a couple of things for my table. I'm specifically looking for some acrylic frames or some cute picture frames. It doesn't matter. Something that I can put my table signs in that have my pricing and everything. So I'm looking for that. I want to get some candy to put on my table. I also want to get a cute little dish or bowl for candy, and also to put my lash applicators in. And I think that's it. I think that's all I need. And yes, your girl is going to the dollar store because, you know, we are a small business and we are trying to spend our coins wisely. So I'm pulling out of my neighborhood now. Once I get to the store, I'll turn the camera back on because, you know, safety first. We gotta drive safe. All right, we're in here. Let's see what I can find. Man, my head hurts so bad. Let's see. Nothing is jumping out at me so far. Oh, this is cute. Let's see. It has a top on it. It's supposed to come with two. It's only one. Oh, man. Let me go see if I can find the frames first, because that's the most important. Okay, so the first thing that I'm drawn to is this right here. I hope this is exactly what I need. Bam! Exactly what I need. Came straight to it. Oh yeah. Let's see. 4. I'm gonna get. Let's see. Okay, I got 5 of them. Let me show y'all what it looks like. So it's this right here. The stand looks like this. Perfect. Exactly what I was looking for. $1. And I got 5 of them. I probably don't need that many, but hey, I'd rather need them and not have them than, wait, that's backwards. I'd rather have them and not need them than to need them and not have them. So yeah, I'm getting 5 of those, and they have them in all sizes. They have some tiny ones like this, and then some 5x7. So that's pretty dope. Pretty dope. Okay, so that is that. Now I need to find some containers to put, or in some little decorations. I need to find something to put my eyelash. I'm thinking maybe this little jar right here to put my eyelash applicators in. It'll be cute. Oh, I need a business card holder. I need a business card holder. So let's see if they have some here. Y'all, when I tell you today was awesome, like today, the overflow of traffic to my table, like the support, y'all, today was more than I even expected. Like, I didn't know what I expected my first vendor event to be, but today was more than I could ever expect. It today went amazing, and I'm so like fired up, and I'm so lit about being an entrepreneur. Like, today really just, you know, brought home and hit home what it feels like to do something that you really love, that you are really passionate about. You know, being an entrepreneur, being a business owner, you have ups and downs, you have good days, you have bad days. Every day isn't always, you know, a day where you racking in the sales and you bringing in the money. But today just reminded me why I wanted to do this and why I started iAmPrincess Beauty. And like, I just feel so blessed right now. Like, y'all, my sales was crazy. Like, I almost sold out of all my lip glosses, and I almost sold out of all my lashes. Like, I came with a lot of inventory. I brought everything, and I almost sold out of everything. Y'all, I'm so excited about launching my hair, my bundles. I'm so excited about launching my custom wig business. Like, this experience was just, it was just a blessing, and I'm so happy. I wish I could have gotten more footage of me interacting and engaging with customers, doing sales, you know, and you know, just the maintenance of my table while I was there. But I was just by myself. My mom was supposed to come, but she wasn't able to come, and so I had to man the table by myself, and I didn't have any time to like step away because the traffic to my table was just popping. Like, literally, I couldn't sit down for the whole time I was there. I stood the whole time. Like, the traffic to my table, my sales, it was just popping. Like, and I'm so excited for what this means in the future, because now I have more customers than I've ever had before. That means more exposure to my products. That means them telling other people about my brand. And y'all, I just feel so blessed. Like, a couple of times when I was in there, like, I got misty, y'all. Like, I literally got teary-eyed because it just felt so good to be enjoying myself doing something I want. And it's just motivation for me just to keep pushing, you know, and to keep pursuing my dreams, regardless to whether or not, you know, I have good days or bad days. Like, this right here, it was everything. It was more than I could have ever imagined, you know. And so if you want to be a business owner, whatever it is you want to do, man, do it. Like, life is short. Some people didn't even wake up this morning. You know, tomorrow is not promised. And, you know, why do you want to spend your life doing something that you don't love just to get a paycheck? Like, take a leap of faith, get out there and do it. Like, it feels so good, you know. And I'm just motivated more than ever, you know, and inspired more than ever that, you know, entrepreneurship is not just a dream, that it can really happen to me. And so I know that today was just one day and I have a long way to go because my business is still very new, you know, but I just feel good about what I did today. I'm extremely proud of myself for taking a leap of faith. You know, I didn't know what to expect. Like, I didn't even think people were gonna come and buy my stuff, but y'all, like, I surprised even myself. Oh, and just in case you're wondering what I'm putting on my lips, this is my lip slip in the shade Brulee. And this one right here, that's what I just put on because my lip was a little bit dry. So yeah. But yeah, today was dope, man. And the lashes I have on are called Prima Donna. She real extra. These some real extra lashes, like. And I just had to put on me some extra lashes for today to make myself stand out. Like, I was the advertisement for my brand today, so I had to, you know, come iAmPrincess Beauty down, boo. And yes, we did. So let me stop because I'm feeling myself like I don't gotta go to work on Monday. But y'all, I'm just so happy. Like, I'm so happy. So I gotta go home, unpack myself. Y'all want to go to sleep so bad. My daughter did not sleep last night, so that means I did not sleep last night. And yeah, I gotta put in me a lash order because your girl almost sold out of lashes. And I gotta make some more lip glosses because all my lash inventory, all my lip gloss inventory is just about gone, sis. So blessings on blessings on blessings. I thank God. Ain't nobody but God. Shout out to all my sorors. Ooh, DST. Because y'all showed out today. Y'all showed out, supported your girl today. Thank you so much. So let me go ahead and put this thing in reverse so I can get home. I miss my baby. I miss my daughter. I'm ready to go cuddle her and eat. I have been trying to eat my food all day, but I have not been able to eat. So yeah, this may be the end of my vlog. So just in case this is the end of the vlog, thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for following along with me on my journey to my very first pop-up shop. It was a success. Don't be afraid. Jump out there. Do your pop-up shop, sis. Do your pop-up shop, bro. It's gonna be successful because you're doing it and you care about what you're doing. So don't let anybody discourage you. Just get out there, take a chance, take a leap of faith, and get her done. But y'all, thank you so much for watching. I have more videos coming soon, more makeup tutorials and everything coming soon. Please subscribe, of course, like this video if you enjoyed it. Drop any comments or questions that you may have down below, and holla at your girl. I'll see y'all in my very next vlog. Until next time, y'all be blessed.